All right, out here in the garage, the Amazon guy delivered this Char-Griller today. I spotted this on Amazon for 79 bucks, and it looked to be pretty darn nice. It's kind of like a little mini patio grill, and I just got it put together. And let's go over and I'll show you what's going on. And I follow the directions by the T right here. So let's go over here, and I'll show you. Took about a half an hour to put this grill together. Had all the correct hardware. This is actually cedar right here. Very, very heavy material on this grill. So I have to take this off right here. And I may put a thermostat or a thermometer right here. I'll take this off and put this little thermometer. This electric grill that I got from a neighbor for free actually has a thermometer right up here on top that I might just take off. And this works really, really good. Take this off, drill a hole in this guy over here, and have a thermometer on there. But this thing is really, really stout. Cedar handle here. It's not that big. I'll show you side by side with the electric one. And I tried everything in their brother's mother to get this to work good. And it worked kind of sort of good. It put vents in it, holes, but this was originally an electric grill that my neighbor had, and I converted it to charcoal. The electric just wouldn't get hot enough, and it kind of sort of worked, but it wasn't really set up for charcoal. Put a little thing there. I may get one for this grill here, a little basket, wire basket, so I can put, salt, pepper, barbecue salt, yakety schmackety on that. But let's check this out right here. This is where the charcoal goes in. Has a little pull-out tray and vent right down here. So you just put the charcoal right on here. It says like 15 pieces. I read the directions, and it says you have to season these grills prior to your first grilling outing. They said you use vegetable oil all on the inside. Put bricks in there, heat them up to 250 or so. Let it go for like 2 hours. It'll season and take off all the packing oils and all that other crap in there too. But also might put some hooks on here too to hang utensils. You see, here's a little vent right here. And like I said, this wasn't, a make up new swear word event trying to put this together. It went together really, really pretty good. Just follow the directions. Follow the pictures. Stuff, but it's heavy. I mean, a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Which is good. These grills are really, really heavy. And I had crap all on my hands. I just washed my hands of all the grilling material on there. But the packing material. It's kind of gross. But this is going to go out to the curb. I'm done with this. It's really kind of flimsy too. And it served its purpose. And I love grilling in the summertime. Heck, all year round for that matter. But handles are kind of loose right here. It's just kind of flimsy. But it might make someone a decent grill, because grills aren't cheap. But to be honest with you, I went to Lowe's for grill shopping, and they had a lot of cheapo Weber ones, which would probably work just fine, but they just look kind of flimsy to me. And I want something that looked cool and had a table right here, so I can put my plate, so when I get the burgers and hot dogs and potatoes off, I just, right there. And the Weber one didn't have a tray, basically, on there. And they had tons of really high-end propane ones, or natural gas if you got a connection in your house, all the way up to like $1,000. And I was like, heck no. But this one was 80 bucks, put together just fine. It feels sturdy and solid. I'll be honest with you. Doesn't look like it's gonna get hurt. I know the hardware may replace that. I don't know. It's appears to be pretty good. I cranked them down pretty good and tight. with the locking nuts, and appears to be it'll be all right. But I'll keep an eye on it. But just for grilling and portability, it seems pretty stout. You know, throw it in the back of your truck, tailgating or whatever floats your boat, right? All right, there you have it. Just thought I'd show you my newest purchase. Really like these cedar right here. Easy to maintain. Good in the weather too. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.